Hello everyone, I'm going to create a new video for summarize the last topic of the last lesson, that was the questionnaires creation. I will follow a few steps in order to let you know how to create properly the questionnaire you want to use with your athletes and of different disciplines, and how to send it properly and to receive back all the information in your email. So first of all, if you don't have a Google account by using for example Gmail, you have to create it, and once created you can easily type drive in the bar. So on the left top corner you will see the button new, which allow you to choose the different options, the different formats and templates you can use in Excel. In this case we are going to select more and then Google Forms, and within the Google Forms category please type a blank form. So in this case we can change many features of the form. The first one will be the color of the background, or in our case we can easily add a picture as a background. Let's consider that we are going to use this one since our athletes or our teams are basketball teams, and then we want to give a name to the form. So I do the same example we have done yesterday in the class by creating an RPE form. So rating of perceived exertion, RPE, and then I will type please fill the form. First question, since we are going to use the same form for many athletes, many teams, it's mandatory to create a filter to differentiate between the players. So please type name and surname, and the choice will be a very short answer. So the player, once received the form, could easily fill this question by typing his name and surname. I remind you to select the required option. That means that actually if the player is not going to fill this information, he won't be able to send back the form to your email. Then we are going to use another question. In this case we can type date, and Excel or Google Form will automatically change the template of the question, creating a specific calendar. The third question will be type of activity, considering the different activities categories that the players or the teams would be involved in. So the best option will be a multiple choice, where we have to type the different options. So in this case let's consider team activity as a first option, and then we will have, let's say, gym, and then physical workout, then recovery, and then physiotherapy. Okay, once created the type of activity question, we can move on and then use the RPE score. As I showed you in the class, in this case you can easily add a picture which could, let's say, make easy the understanding of the players. since it let's say combines objectives and subjectives evaluations or interpretations of the chart. So every single score will be combined to a qualitative interpretation. In our case, we are going only to create the different options the player has to choose by selecting or a multiple choice, or even better, a linear scale. So we know that the RP score is a Likert scale from 0 to 10. You are going to select this range. So actually we have created a very basic questionnaire, the RPE, with the name and surname, the date of the training, the kind of activity, and the RP score. Google Form will automatically save all the changes you have done in the form, and now you can send it. You have two choices. The first one is to send an email, so I will send this form to myself and I will show you how it looks once received. I open my Gmail. I received an email asking me to fill the form, and this is how it looks with all the questions which appear required. The second option will be to send the form using a link. So we can use this link, or we can shorten the link and send it again through the email, in case we are going to use let's say emails group, or simply by WhatsApp. If you have many groups in WhatsApp and you want to let's say spread the link to all of them, and managing the questionnaires in a very easy and cost-effective way. So please try to practice the questionnaire creations form, and with the different options related to the specific field you work, and we are going to continue this topic on the next lesson. Thank you.